Amidst the colorful chaos of the playground, young Hussain bursts with boundless energy, a whirlwind of youthful exuberance. His sister, Mirha, watches from a nearby bench, her smile a beacon of warmth and affection. Hussain's playful sprint turns towards Mirha, a clear sign of brotherly affection. In the midst of his play, a visible thirst begins to take hold, his energetic movements slowing slightly. His eyes reflect a growing need for refreshment, hinting at a pause in his spirited games. Hussain stands in the kitchen, his thirst quenched in one swift motion. The empty glass is lowered, the silence amplifying Mirha's tender gaze. Mirha's voice breaks the quiet, a gentle reminder. After drinking water, say Alhamdulillah. Hussain pauses, the soft command hanging in the air. Hussain remains silent, reflecting on Mirha's words. A moment of serene connection fills the kitchen. In the warmly lit living room, Hussain, Mirha, their mother, and father gather, the soft light casting a serene glow. Hussain, filled with newfound appreciation, exclaims, Alhamdulillah. Mother explains, Alhamdulillah means all praise is for Allah, who gave us water. Father adds, the one who says Alhamdulillah becomes loved by Allah. Hussain hugs Mirha, both smiling happily, understanding the importance of gratitude.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.